Hey my friend. Okay, so first time out in a while walking since I've broken my foot, so we're gonna try to walk for about, it's been 10 clicks with the car, but on foot I'm not sure how long it's gonna be, but yeah, we're gonna enjoy being out and see if my legs work. Okay, let's go. I come from here. I try to come across these fields and I'm trying to go this way. There's supposedly a road here, there. I'm not sure. I hope I can go. But yeah, it's pouring. I think I found the road. We've been following that for quite some time now. I come from there, I'm going there, and I've crossed about 1 kilometer from here to here. Okay, beautiful bushcraft day. Let's go on. Whoa. Yes! I wish I found this road earlier. Okay, my camera is really wet now. You guys know about the GoPro or anything? Because I might need one sometimes. Okay, let's go. See, it's really old and now it's for people that like to go cycling and everything. That's the train station. So now it's not gonna be hard to hike because yeah, on the trail, it's on the railroad, it's just straight. Okay, I'm still following that river, and it's been raining a lot lately, so yeah, it's really high, and I'll show you guys later. Château de la Côte. I could make a shelter here. There's plenty of firewood. Nice. It's good to know. A bit more than 10 kilometers. Now I've got two choices. That's and all a train station as well. Now people live in it. Either I go that way on the road or this way. Seems a bit wet, but we're gonna try it. Yeah? My shoes are supposedly waterproof, so. And it's not raining now. We're gonna try to find that river and I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so now I can go that way or this way. I'm supposed to be that way. I'm not quite sure because there's a lot of rivers here. I guess that's one here, and there's not a lot of bridges to cross it, so to cross them actually. That river splits ahead and comes this way, and there's many branches. I don't know in English how you call that, but yeah, it's really wet here. You know what? I think we're gonna go that way. And I think there's a bridge here. Well, yeah, actually I've made a video back there 6 months ago. So we're gonna try to find it. It's not really hiking in the mountains and everything, but still, it's nice to be out. Oh. Ah, there's the bridge here. Okay, let's go. I'm not even near any river, but yeah, it's really wet here. It's winter, but someone didn't tell that dude. It's spring already, I guess. It's 12th of February. Okay, I found the river. Another one. Yeah, there's a bridge here. That's the place I was. Oop. That's the place I was where I've made my video. We've come across about 1 kilometer from here. Okay, good. Really high. I'll show you the difference between this summer and today. This can be used as Tinder, even if it's been raining. It's okay. It's really fast Tinder. If you light it with a fire still or lighter, it's gonna be burning really fast. But it's nice. That's 2 males. And I think I've seen a female. 2 deers. They are just on the side of the road I was gonna take, so he's seen me. We're gonna follow this guy. I have the wind in my back, so they really can smell me. They can hear my footsteps and everything. Yeah, it's pretty good. First wildlife I have seen today. The hike was pretty good, nice. I've been gone for a bit more than 2 hours. And yeah, 13 kilometers. I don't know. I'll check on Google Map. But yeah, I'd rather be in the forest than in the roads. I like the scenery better. Yeah, almost 250 people now subscribe to my channel, so it's going up pretty quickly. And thanks a lot. You guys are awesome, commenting, nice tips and everything. So I really like the bushcraft community in YouTube. I don't know where they went. Probably hiding somewhere here. They see me, but I can't see them. Nice to be out. Okay. I found some fire starter right there. Some birch tree. It's dead, but it works. Just have to scrape the bark and yeah, the birch bark is really nice. Okay, walking. Cool. I know that place. It's still okay. There's leaves on it. Some fire prepped. Oh, nice. Oof. Okay, so it was a really nice hike. I'm gonna go home now. I still got to walk a bit, and I'll make a video on my emergency pouch. Not survival kit, not a first aid kit. You'll see in the next video. I can't really do it right now because it's getting dark and the camera is not really good with the low lightnings. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.